Hey everyone, Ryan here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a video with AI for free. Essentially, I'm going to be introducing you to a new tool called Haiper.AI, discussing what this tool can actually do and talking about its features, and of course, how you can get started using this tool by generating your very own videos. So without much further ado, let's get this video started. So let's start by taking a look at some of the videos generated by Haiper. And I have to admit that the quality and realism on display here is truly astounding. We are talking about very lifelike renderings with smooth animations and incredible level of detail and coherence. So you can expect to use this tool for all kinds of applications, from serene natural landscapes to amazing city scenes. Haiper seems to capture every element with accuracy. But it doesn't just excel at recreating environments or objects, it also produces amazingly realistic human characters and portraits, as you can see with the many examples showcased on their homepage. So how do you exactly get started with Haiper.AI? And well, the best part is that it's incredibly accessible. All you would need to do is to head over to the Haiper.AI website and then click the try for free button. From there, you will be taken straight to the platform ready to start creating your videos. And using the platform itself is very simple. You just need to enter a text prompt into the provided box, describing the kind of video that you would want to generate. And the more specific you can be, the better. So I would recommend including details about the subject, any motion that you want or action, the style or aesthetic that you're going for, and so on. For example, you could enter something like this. A camera is flying up close to a waterfall and then passes through the water to a cave behind it. Hit the create button and within seconds or minutes, Haiper will generate a great video perfectly matching the description. Now the prompt I entered is very simple, but you can still see how amazing the results were. So imagine if you actually took the time to really engineer the prompt and get as detailed as possible. Using clear, concise language, providing thorough details, and getting a little bit creative with your vocabulary can all help steer Haiper in the right direction. Now, of course, using the text-to-video generation is just the start of Haiper.AI. This platform also packs an array of powerful features that can give you precise control over the look and feel of your AI-generated videos. For starters, you can choose from a variety of style filters or presets to apply a unique visual aesthetic to your clips. So you've got options like watercolor, cyberpunk, and more that allow you to effortlessly evoke specific moods or vibe. You can also upload your own images or AI-generated artworks from other tools like Midjourney, and Haiper will use them as a base to animate and bring them to life. This opens up amazing creative possibilities for combining AI art with AI video. Additionally, they have added a new feature here that would allow you to actually edit and modify existing videos using AI prompts. So let's say you've taken the time to write an amazing prompt and you ended up generating a very good video. You could then use this feature to edit your video, swap out backgrounds maybe, characters, objects, or even reshoot the entire scenes without having to work on the video from scratch. And you will do all of that using descriptive text commands. So in my opinion, this kind of capability could revolutionize AI video production as it keeps improving. While the tool at the moment is insanely impressive in my opinion, it's just a glimpse of what's to come in the world of AI video generation. Don't forget that major companies like Google, Nvidia, OpenAI, and others are investing heavily into this technology, and it keeps rapidly advancing what's possible. Some predictions go as far as saying that AI models will become so advanced to perfectly recreate the real world and its physics. I personally see an infinite number of potential applications that will begin to emerge. For example, entire feature-length films, TV shows, or even video games. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know what your own thoughts and opinions are on the AI video generation technology. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.